How to buy only GTA Online without Grand Theft Auto. Welcome back to Teknobalta. During our latest technical investigation into Rockstar Games Launcher architectures and storefront ecosystems, we analyzed whether you can buy and play GTA Online as a standalone module without purchasing the full Grand Theft Auto V base game on PC. Our diagnostics confirmed that while standalone online access exists for Red Dead Online and select console storefronts, PC platforms like Steam, Epic Games Store, and the Rockstar Games Launcher currently require the integrated base game package. In this deep dive technical guide, we will walk you through 20 comprehensive troubleshooting methods and system optimizations to fix verification errors, licensing mismatches, and storefront installation glitches when setting up your GTA Online access. 1. Clarifying PC standalone licensing limitations. Our testing showed that unlike Red Dead Online, GTA Online does not possess an independent executable or a separate license key on PC platforms. Storefronts automatically bundle the story mode assets with the online multiplayer client because both modes share the core Rage engine files. If you attempt to force a standalone installation through third-party scripts, the Rockstar Games Launcher will flag a missing entitlement error and block access. 2. Verifying storefront entitlements in Rockstar Games Launcher. When you experience licensing conflicts or ownership not verified prompts, open your Rockstar Games Launcher settings and navigate to your account details. Teknobalta's analysis revealed that clicking the Rescan PC option forces the client to reread your registry keys and confirm your game licenses across connected storefronts. This step immediately resolves false ownership errors caused by corrupted local profile tokens. 3. Clearing Rockstar Games Launcher cache files. Corrupted cache files frequently cause the launcher to misread your installed game modules or fail during account authentication. To resolve this, close the launcher completely and navigate to your local documents folder to locate the Rockstar Games directory. Deleting the Social Club and Launcher temporary subfolders forces the application to download fresh, uncorrupted authentication certificates on your next login. 4. Resolving Steam and Epic Games account linking errors. If you purchased the Premium Edition on Steam or Epic Games Store, the third-party client must pass an active authentication token to the Social Club backend. During our diagnostics, we found that unlinking and relinking your storefront account via the Rockstar Social Club web portal resolves background handshake failures. Always ensure your desktop default browser is cleared of stale cookies before authorizing the link. 5. Optimizing storage by managing base game asset files. Although you cannot purchase GTA Online separately on PC, you can manage how your system handles large offline asset archives. We tested various installation configurations and confirmed that while deleting core story mode, files triggers a verification crash. Moving the game folder to a high-speed NVMe SSD significantly reduces loading times for online lobbies. Ensure your drive maintains at least 15% free space to prevent paging file bottlenecks during initial asset decompression. 6. Fixing Windows Firewall blocking Rockstar services. The Rockstar Games Launcher requires uninterrupted bidirectional communication with matchmaking and licensing servers to validate your online session. Navigate to your Windows Defender firewall settings and create explicit inbound and outbound allow rules for both Play GTAV, EXE and GTA 5, EXE. Our technical team confirmed that strict firewall rules often masquerade as licensing errors by dropping silent verification packets during startup. 7. Updating Rage plugin hook and removing incompatible mods. If you previously installed single-player modifications or script hooks, residual DLL files will trigger the anti-cheat system and prevent GTA Online from launching. Open your root game directory and purge any custom scripts ASI loaders, or outdated trainer files that interfere with the official executable. Verifying clean directory integrity is essential for establishing a secure connection to official multiplayer servers. 8. Executing clean storefront verification via Steam. When Steam users encounter missing executable errors or loop crashes after launching the game, local file corruption is typically the root cause. Right-click Grand Theft Auto V in your Steam library, select Properties, navigate to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This automated check replaces modified or missing engine binaries with official signed copies directly from the depot. 9. Repairing broken installations on the Epic Games Store. For setups utilizing the Epic Games Store launcher, manifest errors can prevent the Rockstar client from recognizing your valid license. Click the three dots next to your game tile in the Epic library and select Manage. Then click Verify to initiate a full hash check of your installation. Once the process finishes, restart your PC to clear any remaining background dependency locks. 10. Reinstalling the Social Club application Dependencies. A damaged Social Club installation prevents the game from rendering the overlay or authenticating your online profile credentials. Navigate to the official Rockstar support download page to grab the latest standalone Social Club installer. Then run the executable with administrative privileges. We confirmed that reinstalling this core dependency fixes silent startup crashes and infinite loading spinners. 11. Flushing DNS and resetting network stack parameters. Network routing glitches can prevent your PC from reaching Rockstar's entitlement servers, resulting in offline mode restrictions. Open your Windows command prompt as an administrator and execute ipconfig/flushdins, followed by netwinsock, reset to clear your DNS resolver cache. Restarting your machine after these commands restores clean routing pathways to authentication endpoints. 12. Configuring custom DNS server addresses. ISP default DNS servers occasionally fail to resolve Rockstar's content delivery networks quickly enough during the initial handshake timeout window. Navigate to your network adapter properties and manually assign Google DNS 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 or Cloudflare DNS 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 0, 1 under IP4 settings. Our diagnostics show that this simple optimization eliminates intermittent services, unavailable error codes. 13. Disabling background VPN and proxy software. Active virtual private networks or proxy applications alter your external IP address dynamically, which triggers security locks on Social Club authentication accounts. Temporarily disable any VPN clients, mesh routing tools, or custom LAN tunneling software before launching the Rockstar Games Launcher. A direct, unmasked residential connection ensures stable licensing verification and prevents automated account flagging. 14. Running launcher executables with administrative privileges. Windows user account control restrictions can prevent game launchers from writing essential licensing tokens to your system registry. Right-click the Rockstar Games Launcher shortcut, select Properties, navigate to the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as an administrator. Apply the same elevation settings to your Steam or Epic Games desktop shortcuts to maintain uniform system permissions across all associated platforms. 15. Fixing missing Visual C++ and DirectX runtime libraries. The core Rage engine relies heavily on specific Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages and DirectX end-user runtime libraries to initialize properly. If these system components are outdated or corrupted, the game will fail to launch before it can even check your online entitlement status. Download and install the comprehensive all-in-one Visual C++ runtime installer to ensure every required library from 2015 through 2022 is actively present on your machine. 16. Adjusting MTU settings for improved online connectivity. If you successfully authenticate your license, but suffer from continuous disconnects or empty public lobbies, your network's maximum transmission unit, MTU, size may be misconfigured. Open your command prompt as an administrator and set your active network interface MTU to standard 1500 using Netch interface, IP4 set subinterface, Ethernet, MTU equals 1500 store equals persistent. Maintaining a standardized packet size prevents data fragmentation when communicating with peer-to-peer lobby members. 17. Checking real-time antivirus exclusion profiles. Overly aggressive third-party security suites often isolate dynamic game memory processes or quarantine essential anti-cheat monitoring services. Open your antivirus settings and add the entire Rockstar Games installation directory, along with your Documents profile folder, to the real-time scanning exclusion list. Our testing demonstrated that excluding these directories prevents frame drops and eliminates false positive process terminations during online sessions. 18. Repairing the Windows Management Instrumentation Service. Rockstar's hardware detection telemetry relies on the Windows Management Instrumentation (WMI) repository to verify your system fingerprint during license authentication. If this repository becomes corrupted, the launcher may loop endlessly or report a hardware verification error. Open an elevated command prompt and execute winmount/salvage repository to rebuild your WMI database and restore accurate system reporting. 19. Updating GPU drivers and performing a clean shader reset. Outdated graphics drivers can cause critical engine freezes during the transition from the Social Club splash screen into the GTA Online character selection menu. Download the latest WHQL-certified driver package from your GPU manufacturer and choose the Perform a Clean Installation option during setup to wipe legacy profiles. Additionally, delete the shader cache files inside your app data directory to force the engine to compile fresh pipelines on startup. 20. Final system diagnostics and clean boot verification. If licensing or connection issues persist after executing the previous methods, background software conflicts may still be interfering with launcher processes. Press Windows key plus R, type msconfig, navigate to the Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, and disable all remaining non-essential third-party services. Perform a clean restart and launch GTA Online directly to ensure your system resources and authentication channels operate with maximum efficiency. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more.